Hey everyone, how are y'all doing? I have tried quite a few times to make this video and things keep interrupting me, so I'm sorry it has taken so long. I had a few people message me and a couple of people put on Facebook they wanted to see how to do beach waves, so I'm going to try to create beach waves and show you the simplest and the easiest ways to do this. When I dry my hair, and I'm not promoting any products, so please, these are the products that work best for my hair, and I do sell all the products in my shop. If you need any, you can call me or text me at my cell phone number or call the shop at 706-324-5555. I do have that forwarded to my cell phone right now while we are closed. We can do a grab and go pick up with the products. I use the boho creams from Matrix. I put about a dime size in my hand and a squirt of volume gel, and I get it all in my hair and I get it blow dried up to give it the volume. And then I take my comb and I get my part. I can do it better this way. Kind of zigzag over like this to kind of cross my part to give it a little bit more lift, like that. I use some raw spray by Matrix, and it's a texturizing spray, but it helps to flat iron it or curl it, whatever you're going to do. So I let that sit for a minute and dry. I typically do my makeup during this time, and it gives it enough time to really sit in there. So we'll take a minute. So during this time, if I'm still trying to make those phone calls, there are a lot of people in our database. So if I have not called you and you're wanting to get on our email list, or you're wanting to make sure I have your phone numbers correct, please text me on my cell phone or call that 324-5555 number and let me know that what your email and your cell phone are, so I can make sure it's right. The emails are the fastest way I can get that information out. As of now, we are planning on reopening May 1st, unless we are otherwise told. So we are taking pre-booking, we are selling gift certificates, we are selling products. We are hopefully by Friday afternoon, Friday night, we will have the online store up to where you can see what products are in stock. But if you need anything, I don't mind asking. So the simplest way to do beach waves is, I do not section hair, but at home, if you do need to section hair, if you have a scrunchie, you can take your scrunchie and you can section your hair by just doing your scrunchie like this. Oops, I did that wrong. I cannot do this backwards looking at the phone. Just take it and it just pulls it out of the way like that. So that's really neat. You don't have to have clips or anything. But the beach waves, I always try to start in the back and work forward. You just want to alternate curls. You want to start in the middle. With any iron, you want to be fast. What burns the hair is when you hold the iron, whether it's a curling iron or a flat iron, on the hair, and you hold it for a long time. So when you place the iron on there, you want to be quick and let it go. You see how I've left that kind of out? And I'll show you how to make that straighter. So you just go through, you pick up pieces, and you twist like this. Separate it over. And to me, if you're spending, 5 to 10 minutes more on your hair, you're spending way too much time. Hair is important, but there is a lot more things to life. You still have makeup to do, you still have to get dressed. It should not take somebody 2 hours to get ready in life. You need to go live life and enjoy life. Hair is what it is in the morning. You put it right there in the middle. See how that bottom part's left out? And you pull it down. And it kind of gives it the wave there. If you want to make it curlier, you can come back in, place it, twist it, and turn. And there you go. So hold the hair up, straight out, middle part, hold it, and twist, and turn. Middle part, not all the way to the root, out, and turn. Middle part, out, in, and turn. I'm back here in the back. I just pick up the top part and bring it over to the easiest side. You're going to fill another piece back there. Some people go one direction and then the other way, like alternate them. You can do that. Same thing, you start from the back. See how the end's still there? And just kind of let it feed through. Middle part, twist, and turn. And you always want to try to get your front ones away from the face. So this whole strand right there, just pick it up and bring it out. So you're coming straight out from the head, put it in the middle, twist and turn, and that hair's still hanging out. Now, once you get this done, you have these curls like this. And you're gonna comb it out. You're gonna see the curls. And then you can either leave it like this if you want, or if it's too much curl for you, you can take your flat iron and kind of run your flat iron through it. Then if you mess it up somewhere, just take your flat iron and twist it. And that is how you create the beachy waves. To finish it up though, because like my hair is so soft, I do like the Matrix Texture Builder because it does have some hold without it being a hairspray hold. And I don't just use Matrix products. I use Joico. I use Big and Sexy Hair. I use, let's see, Joico, Big and Sexy Hair, Soy Wheat's Big and Sexy Hair. Lord. There's several different products on my shelf that I do use. I cannot think right now because I'm not standing there looking at it. But I do use several other products at the shop. These are just the ones that I like right now. That I use on a daily basis with my hair. But that pretty much, and like I said, it is what it is. You don't need to spend tons of time on your hair because the only one that knows who's out of place, your hair's out of place, is you. Nobody else knows that. So put your makeup on, fix your hair. Remember, the ladies all the way up and through the 60s used to put on dresses every day and heels, and that's because they needed to feel good about themselves doing what they did every day. And, we don't need to be lounging. It's okay to be in our lounge clothes, but we still need to feel good. So let me know what y'all want to hear, and I'll try my best to accommodate because the Lord knows I'm not perfect. So hope to hear from you soon. I'll talk to you later. Try to have a good week. Bye.